The Enigmatic Ellipse, Understanding English Phrases. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic in the English language, the term ellipse. While the word may seem unfamiliar, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Stay tuned. The term ellipse can be a tad confusing because it has two primary meanings in English. Let's break them down. 1.1 The geometric shape. In mathematics and geometry, an ellipse is an oval shape. It resembles a circle but is elongated. Think of it as a squished circle, where the two main axes are of different lengths. 1.2 The grammatical term. In the context of language and grammar, an ellipse refers to the omission of one or more words from a sentence, which are assumed by the listener or reader. It's a way to avoid repetition or to simplify a sentence while still conveying the same message. Now that we understand the two meanings, let's explore how ellipse is used in everyday English. 2.1 As a shape descriptor, you might hear someone say, "That racetrack is shaped like an ellipse." In this instance, they're referring to the oval shape of the track. 2.2 In grammar, ellipsis is common in our daily conversations. For instance, without ellipsis, I like chocolate, and my sister likes chocolate too. With ellipsis, I like chocolate, and my sister too. Notice how the repetitive part, likes chocolate, is omitted in the second sentence? That's ellipsis at work. Well, there you have it. Whether you're describing an oval shape or simplifying a sentence, the term ellipse is more common than you might think. Remember, understanding these nuances in the English language can enrich your vocabulary and make you a more effective communicator. We hope you found this explainer useful, and until next time, keep exploring and learning.